Football? I used to play once a week, but I'm nowhere close to the game.
Pedro, you're done?
Oh.
You're done?
Muda! Estava combatendo! So today I was schooled at soccer. Here in Kampala the dirt is red, and as you can see it gets quite dirty when you play. We can see my sock line right there. Need a good shower after that game. Those kids are amazingly good.